Hey everybody, today I'm going to be reading The Chick and the Duckling by Mirra Ginsburg, pictured by Jose and Ariane Aruego. The Chick and the Duckling. To Libby. Eggs hatching. A duckling came out of the shell. "I am out," he said. "Me too," said the chick. "I am taking a walk," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. Ew. "I am digging a hole," said the duckling. Ew, worms. "Me too," said the chick. "I found a worm," said the duckling. "Me too," said the chick. "I caught a butterfly," said the duckling. The chick is still playing with the worm. "Me too," said the chick. "I ain't going for a swim," said the duckling. "Me too." Watch. "Me too," said the chick. "I am swimming," said the duckling. "Me too," cried the chick. They're swimming. Oh, wait, what happened to the chick? The duckling pulled the chick out of the water. "I am going for another swim," said the duckling. "Not me," said the chick. The end. Everybody, if you like the book, if you like this read aloud, give us a like, subscribe for more. If you're interested in some more, like some hardcover book from this, from the Chick and Duckling, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description. You can go click on it. It will lead you to the site where you can go and purchase the book, and the book will be all yours. But in the end, thank you for sticking around. I appreciate you. Subscribe for more. Good luck.